This week's mental health tips are 10 things not to say to someone with autism. Hi, I'm Angela. I have a husband with bipolar 2 disorder, my kids have ADHD, and I myself have struggled with depression. You are not alone. You can't be autistic. You seem so normal. Do you take any medications to help with that? Autism. Oh, it's totally from the mercury in the vaccinations. That's why I'm never vaccinating my children. I mean, I wouldn't want them to end up with autism. You know, we're all a little autistic, right? I'm so sorry. It must be awful. Stop using autism as an excuse. Your habits are really annoying. It's actually kind of embarrassing. You must be amazing at math or music. You're married? When you aren't walking in someone else's shoes, it's just easy to say something that's hurtful, even when you're trying to be helpful. So let's be thoughtful and remember what it says in Proverbs 16:23. Intelligent people think before they speak. What they say is then more persuasive. If you or a family member has an autism diagnosis, what would you add to the list? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And a big thank you to His Heart Foundation for supporting this channel. If you want more in-depth mental health information for you and those you love, check out mentalhealth.academy today.